Hey, what's up, everybody? Vance here. Have an unboxing today. LMarshall32. Bro, I am happy to have gotten this today. Just came in, and I can't... Bro, you gotta put some packaging around it in there. So, we're gonna open this up. Check out this thing in here. Thumbs good. If you saw the last video, this culprit right here, razor sharp. I mean hair popping sharp. Fucked me up pretty good. You guys can probably hear my daughter. She's playing in the bathtub, but let's open this thing up. Love this knife. Citadel. Alright. What do we got here? A lot of cardboard and tape. Dang. Make sure the fingers are clear. Cut myself in my video response to Cineric77 yesterday. That was really nothing. There's a little scratch there, but yeah, my thumb this morning, that kind of sucked a little bit. Stings a little, but you know, it'll heal up. I've had much worse cuts from knives, so just been a long time since I had a good one. Been waiting for this, anticipating this. This is custom knife in here, wrapped up in here. Whoa. Fix that. Holy, bro. This thing is taped up like crazy. Some tissue paper. Alright, my bad. Trying to get this off. Can't redo this, so we're just going to have to roll with that. I am all thumbs today, it seems. And last night. Lack of sleep, I can tell you that, guys. I've not been getting a lot of sleep lately. So, alright. We'll get this open one of these days. Oh. Alright. Maybe I should wipe it down first, but we'll just show it. This is my little 3x3. Check out the mirror polish. There. Bro, I know you didn't really want to do it. You can kind of see the luminox there and the blade. Wow, man. Freaking beautiful, man. Nice grip. It's like a 3-finger. Probably put like a little lanyard here that I can stick my pinky through. Something short. Man, this is freaking awesome, bro. Awesome. Hold on a sec. Alright, time to break out this 511 catalog. this is beautiful, bro. I'm definitely liking this. You guys gotta check out LMarshall32 if you guys aren't subbed to him. Damn, it's on my mind. Stings a little bit. Let's find a good page we can cut into here. That's not one. There we go. This one? I don't have any strop yet. I thought maybe that was coming today. I'm waiting on one. And would have been kind of cool if that showed up too, but we will have to wait for that. Just want to touch this up and getting banged around and all that. So, and I know Brother Marshall had this thing razor sharp, shaving hair with it in his video, so damn. This is definitely sharp. So, we got us a sharp knife. Brother Marshall. Bro, I know you wanted some constructive criticism. Constructo. But, man, I don't see anything wrong with this so far, bro. I'm definitely digging it. I'm gonna try to put the, try to do handles for this myself. And we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to put some Kydex around this thing. Oh, man, I'm loving this. Nice grip. And actually there, I mean, you could see I got all 4 fingers on it right here. I mean, you kind of can here too. Really up on it, but man, I like this, bro. I love it. This is a sweet blade. Oh man. So you guys gotta check out LMarshall32. That's where they did the Rockwell. I think he says like, bro, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he said 5960. It's 01 tool steel. Nice thick chunk. Beautiful knife, bro. Just beautiful. I love it. Thank you very much, bro. I'm going to be admiring this the rest of the day. Hopefully I don't cut myself with this one, since it seems I'm having some good luck lately with cutting myself. Bro, definitely a sickle knife. Thank you very much. I appreciate the effort you put into this. I like all your blades, bro. They're all coming out real nice. So you guys go check them out. Sorry for such a long unboxing. This is my 3x3 from LMarshall32. Hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend. Thank a veteran this weekend. Enjoy your time with your families and loved ones and friends. Stay safe out there. Don't be drinking and driving like a jerk-off. Yeah, I guess that's it. You guys have a good one. Thank you, brother.